Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love, the support. I just can't thank you enough. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you. Hey, wonders they say shall never end, though. You guys know that a lot is going on, and Imo State they are preparing for election. Hey, even with everything that happened during this presidential election, that these people they are selective. People were thinking, oh, after this presidential election, everybody eye go clear. Now they are not telling you go and get ready your PVC. Your PVC is your voice. Your PVC will speak for you. Abba. Right now, as I'm talking to you, they are preparing for election in Imo State. And the Biafra Republic government, they are saying no to this. I don't really want to talk too much. So, hey, let me give you the information. Let's listen to them and I'll be right back.
The BRS, they are there for your safety. The Dragon Marine, they are all there for your safety. You understand? So when you see this fight, this war, we did not start this war. This war is brought to us in our own house. This is our father's land. This is our mother's land. We cannot run away because somebody brought tanks, because somebody brought artillery to kill us simply because we say we don't want to vote, simply because we say we want to sit at home. Please, dear friends, don't make yourself a scapegoat. From all the species, all the people that have been speaking since, they have been saying one thing. Please, don't sacrifice your life for Nigeria. It is not worth it. Nigeria is not worth taking your life. Don't sacrifice your life for Nigeria. If you want to make sacrifice at all, that you want to sacrifice your life, it is better to sacrifice it for the unborn generation, for your unborn child, for our women, our lady. Look at the kind of lifestyle that your young daughter can even give herself to a man to sleep with because they promise her 2,000 naira because mommy cannot put food on the table, because daddy cannot put food on the table. This is what you sacrifice your life for. This is what the Biafra Liberation Army are sacrificing their life for. And it is worth it for the sake of our children, for the sake of our unborn generation. Look at Nigeria today. Things are happening. I don't know. Don't you people watch? Don't you watch social media? What? It even pains me because I respect our women so much. But with the level, with the condition in Nigeria today, Nigeria has devalued our women. They have no value again. Even if it is us, the guys, fine, treat us anyhow you want to treat us as guys. We don't mind. But what I see our ladies passing through, it is a reason for every Biafran to support this freedom. Please, Imolite, you are wise people. You are very wise people. You know the right thing to do. Don't be deceived. If they give you the money, take the money. But don't go out to vote. Nigeria is not worth dying for. Those army you see coming to die for Nigeria. Just that I don't know how to really describe them. They are not really mentally inclined. Let me just put it that way. Otherwise, you realize that Nigeria is not worth dying for. And lastly, before I yield, I want to say that tanks do not kill people. Guns do not kill people. But people kill people. So when you see the tanks, when you see the guns, don't be afraid. If you know, majority of these people they are going to bring now are going to be the Fulani or the Hausas. We see them all over the place where we are. Is it an Hausa man that if he's riding Okada in the street, the very street where he rides the Okada, if you are looking for that street and you ask him, bros, I'm going to so place, he will not even, he won't even know where you are asking. Are they not the same people they are sending out to come and fight us? Intelligent Biafrans. So relax your mind. God is in charge. This war, they brought it to us, and we are not going to run away from it. Just pray for our army, pray for our minister, our prime minister, pray for all our ministers and the cabinet, and pray for all the donors. God will empower them. And once again, I want to say a very big thank you to all the donors. You are the heroes. I want to say a very big thank you to the BLA, the Biafra Resistance Fighters, BRF, the Black Marine, the Dragon Marines. You are the heroes. And God bless you, God preserve you, God keep you, God give you wisdom. The enemy's forces, the enemy soldiers, they will keep making mistakes, and they will fall before you. They will keep making mistakes that will cost them their life in their thousands, in their millions, in Jesus Christ's mighty name. I yield from this place. Thank you very much for the opportunity to speak. Wow. For the Fulani, but for the first time, we do something that people will say nobody have ever done it. Where they say they find 80 dead bodies and the skeletons. So, and I ask myself, after the governor have noticed this thing, then what is the next? What is the action? Have you hold the people in that the Fulanis that occupy that place? Have you hold them responsible? Have you hold the security responsible for that? Then the thing go on the air just like that. Human beings. We are talking of human beings, not animals. We are talking of 70 to 80 human beings and skeletons in one place. So what I'm trying to say that Oti, any politician in Nigeria and Biafra land, and forget about them. What our purpose and our target and our eyes is on Biafra and the Biafra and nothing more. We praise Abaribe. At the same time, you see what happened. We praise this man, the lawyers. At the same time, you see what happened. All these things, you can see. We praise the Soludo. Then after what happened? So all of them that could not be able to, I pray that God will grant them their heart desires and bless them in our different fields, and those that are doing the right thing and those that are not doing the right thing at the moment, but wishes to, because of this situation where we find ourselves today. And I give glory to our leader, MNK, the Spirit in human form. And I also thank our most intelligent Prime Minister ever to come to pass, Mazi Simon Eba, because he's doing wonderful. A young man that is doing what I cannot do and millions of us cannot do. Taking millions of bullets, taking thousands of bullets, insult here and there and still standing. Only a witch. They called him a small boy. Yes, they called him a small boy. They called him a Bakeleke, and that is why I'm from Anambra State. But my joy is that our Prime Minister came from where they called Abakaleke, because sometimes we neglect ourselves. We think that some are more important than others. But God could go to where you said is nothing and raise a doors that could do anything. And he's doing it, and anybody that is not seeing it, I have never seen a stupid person like that one. So let me go to my issue, and also I give all the thanks and praise to our handsome and intelligent Minister of Information, the way he analyzes things and the way he put things to rest, because it's all about wisdom and knowledge. And I thank God that in this Biafra, I noticed two things that I valued most. Biafra is truth and Biafra is justice. Only a liar that will not see that. So without taking much time to proceed, we say our mother and our sister, the host, the co-host, Sister Stella. It boils my heart when you were crying. It takes me back to even before our leader, or earlier after he was kidnapped, what happened in Owerri, of a woman, a mother that cried, that she was crying at one's radio station. She said that her husband had died. She's a widow, and she has a son of 24 years old who is helping her in her restaurant. And she was there in the restaurant with her son that helps her all the day, and also a client that was eating. And police people came and shot at and stabbed at this client, and also beat up this boy and took the boy away. And this woman, she was crying, asking Hope Uzodinjo to bring back her husband because her husband has died. And that son is her husband, and this guy came to take the boy away. And who knows, maybe this boy never come back today. So many that we do not know. What crime of this man, this criminal, this inhuman that I call them unacceptable objects in our land? So, I mean, if I should keep counting about the crimes they have committed, the mothers that they have made to cry, the women that they have turned to become widow, our sisters that they have turned to have no brothers, our mothers that they have, in fact, I don't know where to start. But what I should say is this, like I want to say, we should place our minister of media that is here. He's doing. Let me tell you, the God of the land is not supporting you. The how far we have come, we could have not gotten to this extent. It's because the spirit of Biafra, our ancestors who died in this struggle, are flowing most of us here. Most of us here hold a sensitive post. They do a lot of things for Biafra, but you will never hear it in their mouth. But we thank God for giving us the privilege to carry on. And I'm going to plead with anybody. If you have been in this struggle for long, please, I know it's not easy. I know there is a lot of temptation on the way. Be strong. Hang in there. We will get to our freedom. Please don't forget. Tomorrow is our fundraising. Whatever you have. Rather, we were just surviving each day as it comes by. Each day. I'm praying to Elohim for a day like this to come. And the prayers of the Biafrans.
So my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and bye-bye.